Hello, everyone. Just got my package in today of passive profits. This is what you get. I came in a lower level, 300 level. As you can see here, I got my leads, my stamps, pen, $25 gift card at Amazon. Yeah, this is real, guys. And what I'm going to do for the next week is anybody that joins underneath me, I will give you free postcards. Yes, I said free postcards. This is pretty awesome. This is a quick little review. It's the real deal, people. Real deal. Call the 800 number, 800-474-1375. And my ID is 210. Talk to you again soon. Thanks.